Winget is a package manager built into Windows 11. You can use it to install applications and update them to the latest versions. In this guide, I will show you how to find applications, install them, update them, and how to set up a recurring task to update all of your computer's programs. First, let's open up a web browser and visit winget.run. Here, you can search for applications to install through Winget. Let's install NeoVim. NeoVim is a terminal-based text editor. I will go ahead and search for it. On the application page, it will show you the command needed to install. Click the copy button and open up your terminal. I will search for a terminal in the Start menu and paste in the command. Press Enter, and it will download and install the application. And as you can see, NeoVim is now installed. Now let's use this tool to update all of your Windows programs scheduled automatically. To do this, open the Task Scheduler program. This program manages all the tasks on your computer. Best not to modify any existing tasks, but we can easily create our own. In the right-hand sidebar, under Actions, click on the Create Task. Let's give our task a name. Winget Updater Script. At the bottom of this window, make sure you enable Run with Highest Privileges. This will prevent any UAC prompts from occurring during the upgrades. Now, under the Triggers tab, we can create the schedule for our task. I will set up mine to run weekly on Sunday at 5 p.m. Great. Now open the Actions tab and click New. Now we need to create the script file. To do this, open Notepad or any other text editor of your choice. Create a new file and type in winget upgrade --all. I will save this file in the C drive and in a new folder called Tasks. I'll name the file wingetupgrader.bat. A bat file is just a script that the command prompt and task scheduler can run. Now, back in Task Scheduler, open the file we just made. Now click OK. And OK again. That's all there is to it. The task has now been created. You can find the task under the Task Scheduler library. Let's run it to make sure it works. So go ahead and right-click on the task and click Run. This should automatically run the script we created and start updating all of your programs. And now every time the task is triggered, your programs will update. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and visit Control Alt Explained for more videos like this.